Hi everyone, I'm Paweł, and today I've got some excellent tips for saving battery life on your iPhone. Whether on vacation, hiking, or just out and about without a charger, these tips will help you make your battery last longer. So, let's dive right in. Alright, first, turn off those features you're not using. If you're not using GPS, Bluetooth or mobile data, just turn them off. Trust me, it saves a ton of battery. And hey, if you're in an area with a weak signal, switch on airplane mode. Your battery will thank you. Next, lower your screen brightness. The brighter your screen, the faster your battery drains. Go to settings, then display and brightness, and slide that brightness bar down. You'll be amazed at how much longer your battery lasts. Tip number 3 is a lifesaver, low power mode. This feature turns off non-essential functions and helps you squeeze out those extra hours of battery life. Go to settings, then battery, and turn on low power mode. Easy peasy. Are you running a bunch of apps in the background? That's a big no-no. Close those unnecessary apps by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and swiping up on the app previews. Your battery will last way longer. Wi-Fi over mobile data, always. Mobile data uses more power, so if you've got access to Wi-Fi, use it. Just turn off mobile data in settings, then cellular. Bonus, it can also help reduce your phone bill. Dynamic wallpapers might look cool, but they eat up your battery. Switch to a static wallpaper to save power. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. Fitness apps are great, but they can drain your battery with all the GPS tracking and heart rate monitoring. Disable background activity and notifications for these apps when you're not using them. Keeping your iPhone updated is crucial. Regular iOS updates optimize battery usage and fix bugs. Go to settings, then general and software update to ensure you're running the latest version. Okay, this might sound obvious, but use your iPhone less. Limit activities like gaming, watching videos, and browsing social media. And if you don't need to be reachable, consider turning off your phone. Your battery will last a lot longer. Finally, if you're still struggling with battery life, invest in a power bank or an iPhone case with a built-in battery. These portable chargers can give you that extra boost when you're on the go. And there you have it, 10 essential tips to save battery life on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tech tips. Thanks for watching, see you next time.